Alright folks, today I want to show you how to make this push
This
stick.
did not turn out bad.
So we call this one the king of push sticks. Jimmy, you know why?
Because we want people to watch our video?
No, we do want that, but we call this the king of push sticks. TCB. You know what that stands for,
yeah.
Jimmy?
Taking care of business, baby.
Yep. Elvis.
Taking care of business.
King of push sticks.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Hello there everybody and welcome. Today we're going to build what I think is a great design for a push stick. And we're going to start with these two pieces of plywood. They are 14 by about 8.5. And I'm going to sandwich these together to get some thickness. And we're going to go ahead and glue these together now. And for the first couple minutes, this will have a tendency to slide around a little bit, so I just want to make sure that I've got two of these edges lined up real nicely. Alright, so we've got this nice and flat here on the bottom now. And we're ready to go ahead and move over to the bandsaw and make some cuts over there.
I stopped at Tractor Supply. Why do you think I went to Tractor Supply?
See the baby chicks.
Yes. They also had baby ducks. They were so cute. The little baby ducks were especially cute. And they were all crowded into one corner right under the heat lamp. All the little baby ducks. Chickens and the ducks, so were all walking on top of each other. There was one real funny little chicken. He went tearing across the thing, just crawled all over a whole bunch of them. You know, he didn't care. He just walked right over them. And then one little duck, he got in the middle of, he was like burrowing down, like wiggling around trying to get it. It was really cute. That shirt was $4.
This is a lot of work to do just for this push stick.
Yes, it is. That's a really neat shape, though.
Yeah, I like it. It lets your hand kind of get up on top of it, so you're pushing down as well as pushing forward.
Yeah.
Because usually this front part here, if your handle's sitting way back here, you're not really pushing down out
Right,
here.
right,
If you're up here like this, you're pushing down over the whole length of this.
right.
So.
Yeah, where'd you get the idea for that shape?
Well, a lot of them have kind of a similar shape where there's kind of a handle sticking up, but I've seen them where they're kind of back here.
Right.
And, you know, different things. I've never seen one exactly like this.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it.
You have been watching the Patrick Parson Workshop, which we hope you have found informative. In the comments section below, please share your thoughts, questions, and any ideas you may want us to address in the future. Also, why not consider subscribing to the channel, as every week we will have something new for you, and we would surely hate for you to miss it. As always, thanks for watching Patrick Parson Workshop.